Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting the right clip size for the lure weight and eye diameter. This saves time and prevents hook swiveling. Once chosen, inspect the clip and split ring for bends or rust because weak hardware fails under load. Next, thread the split ring through the clip opening and into the lure eye. Make sure the ring seats fully. Finally, hold the assembly steady while you prepare the line knot so nothing shifts and the first connection is solid. Once the clip is attached to the lure, tie a strong knot, Palomar or improved clinch, directly to the clip eye. Wet the line to reduce friction and tighten gradually for consistent seating. Next, trim the tag end to about 2 to 3 mm so it won't snag, but don't cut too close and risk slippage. Then check lure alignment. Rotate the clip so the lure swims naturally and hooks sit away from the line to reduce tangles and improve strike rates. You finish by testing the whole setup. Perform a static hang and a slow retrieve in shallow water to confirm the lure's action and the clip's hold. If you notice wobble, rattling, or abnormal pull, stop and swap the clip or split ring. Small defects amplify once casting starts. Make sure to ready or reseat the knot if anything loosens. Finally, inspect and replace worn clips after each outing so your next cast starts with reliable gear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.